I'm Heidi. I'm with
Aiden.
and same voice I just had. But today
No, let's try this one.
No, stop.
Okay.
Lordy. Today we're trying different kind of ice cream.
Can you try that one?
These are
first?
shh. These are samples.
Shh. Okay.
And okay.
Okay.
We just had this one.
No, we didn't.
No, we have this one.
She said we just had that one, didn't
Oh,
she?
excuse me. We have cookie dough.
Oh.
Wow.
He's so entertained. He's like,
Oh.
wow.
Seriously, kids? Okay. And then we have chocolate fudge brownie.
Sounds pretty good.
And you kid. And then we have peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter jelly dough.
And we're going to do a cookie dough because somebody wants to do cookie dough.
Aiden.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry guys.
Okay. Do not eat all of it.
Time out.
No. I have no idea what's going on. Okay.
Aiden.
And we all of us is taking a bite.
I'm gonna go first.
It's all melted. Go. That's the goodest part. That's the best part, I should say.
Ooh, that is good.
One bite, Heidi.
Ooh, hurt my teeth.
That's why you're only supposed to take one bite.
Aiden.
Aiden, one bite.
Levi, one bite.
It was small.
Alright, good enough. Now we have to move
What
on.
are the splinters?
Yeah, I don't like these spoons.
We don't get sprintles.
Too bad, I don't.
Sprintles. The heck.
I don't like the taste of them.
You'll be fine.
It's weird.
Okay, now we're going to try the chocolate fudge brownie.
Wait. I can't do it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I get first bite.
know.
No, I get first.
Nope. Look how dark that is.
I get first. Leave, I get you first last time.
Heidi got first last time.
No, she did.
I get first next time. Yes, she did. It's a huge bite. I get second. I get first next time. Next one, because I'm special.
This is good.
Yeah, you're special, alright?
Special ed.
That's not nice. Ooh.
I get that one. I'm taking that one home.
Taking this one home. No, it's almost like gone. Another bite of that.
Alright. Now we're going to taste
Whatever that one is. Drumstick.
drumstick.
You should have got Rocky Road. I mean, never had it.
Oh, you said you want to take that home. Quit eating it.
Quit eating it, Aiden.
All these little,
I get to eat it.
all of these little ice creams cost $1.
I get to eat it first. You guys get to eat it first. No, I get to eat it first. I get to
Look
eat it
at
first.
that.
I get to eat it first.
For you're not
I
starving.
get to eat it first. I get to eat it.
I am.
I get it first.
You just put your. Oh, never mind.
You know you're not starving, you know. We had Pop-Tarts.
Can we fix it? Yes, we can't.
Okay. I want that one.
You guys can have that one.
I want that one.
You want this one?
I want that one.
It's delicious.
I
No.
noticed. That one's delicious.
Okay,
Yes.
the last one.
Oh, we
Already.
already did that one.
No.
It's gonna be mint.
What?
So it's gonna be mint.
It's not even mint.
It is.
No, it isn't.
Oh, it's mint, so I thought it was mint. Peanut butter cup. Peanut butter cup.
Oh.
Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut
Are you
butter cup.
assuming it's flavor?
Okay. This is what it looks like, and we forgot what
Oh.
the cookie dough kind of looks like because we just dig in it.
You'll see some of it. I guess
Go back and find a picture.
Mmm.
Ice cream hog. First bite at all the ice creams. Aiden, really? That's enough.
I was trying to get part of the line.
I'm keeping this one.
Not mine.
No.
Okay, mine's better.
I'm keeping this one.
Nuh-uh.
Look how he puts it under the table.
You can't just do that.
I just did.
You have this drumstick one.
And that one. I don't
He
like the
gets two.
I don't like the drumstick. No,
I don't like the drumstick.
I do.
Weirdo.
All right. Now,
Bye.
my favorite ice
Why did we all
cream.
get close?
Huh?
Right, we all got like really close.
My favorite out of all of them is all of them. I like them all.
Mine's chocolate fudge.
Wait a minute.
Brownie.
I just had to break through.
What?
Don't touch it.
Do not make your ice cream gross.
You should tell him.
He just put this stuff in his ice cream. I'll see how it tastes. Salty and sweet.
I don't know. I didn't taste anything. It tastes like normal ice cream.
He is gross.
You're gross, Heidi.
You're gross.
You're gross, sir.
You're both grosserist.
Majestic.
I am. I'm the one who told you that word.
What? No.
Is it good? Now we're just eating ice cream.
Bye. We're pigs.
We're pigs, so
I'm the piggiest because I got mud things.
let us out, Aiden.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you liked it.
Bye.
Shout out to Robbie Nation. Go check
And
him
me.
out. And Xbox man.
Bye.
Xbox man, what?
He's almost choked.
All lowercase.
Links in the description. Both of them.
Bye. Peace.